Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I just want to make a short little video on how you are making your ramen noodles wrong. I promise you're doing it. Everyone does it. You're making it wrong. If you want to make good ones, then you're gonna want to watch my video, okay? So you have your bowl, you have your ramen or whatever. I like chicken, so I just got chicken. Then you're gonna need some of. We have the chunky light, but you don't have to get that. You can get any kind of tuna, but you need tuna. One slice of cheese, doesn't matter. A knife to cut your cheese and stuff, and I don't know. And then you're also going to need a can opener. Oh yeah, and you need one more thing. Drawers. Hey. My knee. Hi guys. What the crap? Why does my mom cut this thing? No. There it is. And a clean dishes dishwasher. A noodle strainer. Yeah. You need that. Okay. What you're going to do is I'm going to move you over to the sink real quick. Grab your ramen in your bowl. And your ramen noodles in your bowl. Go over to the kitchen. Okay. How do you like your noodles? I like to crush them up a little bit. That way, I can get more better, the way it spreads out and it cooks better. But, you cook it how you want to do it. There's something I can crush this with. Here it is. I can't find anything, so ice cream scoop does it because, it's brown. I'll start crushing your noodles. Oh, up here for now. Move, cat. I'll give you some tuna later. First off, I'm going to open this up and get your chicken package out. Or your chicken flavoring. That's going to be key. There. And close it up like this and then just try to hit it. And kind of like you're crunching up your meat, you're crunching up your noodles. You know this. I don't really want to noodle powder though. You'll make it into little small pieces the way you would need. You don't put in there, it's just crumbles. Whenever it cooks, it just comes out in like soups. Or your tuna and stuff, the way it's better. Just guesstimate your water, it doesn't matter. Then you're going to want to sit you up right. Come on now, stay. Thank you. So here's my bowl. You're just going to pour your ramen noodles in there. Okay. And here goes what it's going to look like. It's going to be, And you do not want to stir this any, okay? I forgot it. Forgot how to cook ramen noodles. 2 minutes ago. You're going to put your ramen noodles on the back, whatever it says to cook for. Now, mine says oven, but whatever time it says for oven, that's the time you put it for microwave, okay? Trust me, it works. I've done it millions of times. Okay. But if you have the ramen chicken, it is 3 minutes. Just go ahead and look on the back. Do not trust me, okay? Because if you don't trust me, it'll be different for y'all, but I have my microwave right here. Ooh, wow, it's a microwave. Yeah. So let's just go ahead and put our noodles in the microwave. Oh crap, they're not small. So yeah, guys, it is, as you can see, it's in there. Nice and Gucci. Yeah. And then you're gonna want to cook this for 3 minutes. Okay, so my microwave, you just press 3. It goes 3. But if you're just like the one that go beep beep beep, there's 3 0 0. So yeah, while we're waiting, I'm gonna go show you what movie we're gonna be watching this month. We're gonna be drinking. Because you do not need to prepare anything. Oh, flip, we need to prepare something before we watch the movie. I'm gonna drink. To prepare something while that's cooking. Because they need to be ready. Okay. So you got your chicken flavor, right? Heat that over there. See this? This doesn't have a little top, so you have to open it with a can opener. So, let's go ahead and show you guys how you do this. So mine, get it started. So, oh, that's perfect. Put it under here. Gotta catch that lip. Don't even have to touch it. I always have to do it twice, that way, I'm guaranteed to open the can. Yeah, that's open, it's open. Like that. Smell it? Yeah, it's tuna. Maybe. I don't know. Well, I still got the lid. I'm gonna feed my cat with some of this. So you're also gonna need a fork. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain the juice with the lid. Because, it's disgusting. Yeah, move. I mean, you don't want a little bit in there. You don't want too much sauce, though. Just a little sauce. Gonna scoop some of this out for you. Look at that shit. There we go. Good enough, little entree. Oh shit, let's go check the foot. So now we have all that ready. We also need to slice our cheese before this thing gets out. We're gonna do got your cheese. Ready? These you want to sit here and make nice, even cuts. You just start cutting it. It doesn't matter if we have to get that out because we'll cut it after that's out. It doesn't matter because it doesn't really matter. Oh, it's not even short. Okay, you're going to want a towel for these because these are very hot. And they're going to smell very horrible before you put the chicken in. Oh. That's how you make noodles, guys. So if that's all you want to know how to make noodles, there you go. But if you want to know how to make noodles, ramen noodles, right, keep watching. Well, I struggle to open this thing with a freaking dull knife. Probably going to have to go charade then. Something didn't work. Just watch this. Oh, I forgot to peel it. No wonder it's not freaking cutting. So I got this thing and peel it. I was like, bro, what the crap is going on? I didn't peel it. Don't call me stupid in the comments, please. It's been cutting the entire time. That's a perfect slice of cheese right there. We're gonna need to cut that up even more though, because stuff needs to be small. Go ahead and grab this. Oh, that's sexy. This little piece right here. Being a little butt. Don't throw that. Just don't throw that in there yet, no. Yo, come on, don't dump my noodles. It's coming out a little bit. Now this is cheese. We don't need us serrated because no wonder when cutting. Forgot to put the thing on there. Come on now. Now shake out that butter. Finally. Oh, that's so satisfying. I can't show you guys now because you're not gonna worry about my own safety. Just like that. Sorry guys if you can't see this. It's alright. If you can, well, somehow you can. Letters. Yeet. Let's go. That's a pretty good sauce right there. Then you have this big sauce right here. I think he's all Big Mom. I said man's not whole. Man's not whole. There we go, boys. You just gotta cut them in triangles sometimes, you know, like too much sauce. There we go. You want to finely mince them. Chicken flavor. Shake down the bottom if you don't want to mess. Open the baking powder up. Dump it in there. You want to mix it in there before you strain your noodles. You don't strain your noodles yet. Oh, yeah, bro, I gotta grab this. Yeet. Don't ever eat it because if it's done. You know it's done. Trust me, as many times I've done this, it's done. Okay. That right there. Grab your strainer. Then, oh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. And grab this. Pick it up. Try not to burn yourself. And you can put this as your stick. And go over. Do a little slot. It's hot. Yep. I just yeeted them in there. As you can see, you know, I'm just somehow drained in there. Kind of shake them around. There we go. Then, you know, just shoot. Yeet them back in there. Yeeted them back in there. Flip back in there. You know, the chicken flavor is definitely there. I didn't really mix it in, so it's not going to really taste like chicken. But it doesn't really need to. No. Then you want to grab your tuna. And you drop all that in there. I'm talking every little bit in there. Just squish it. I'm going to squish your tuna. And mix it. It's going to make it colder. But it's going to make it taste so much better. You're going to be like, bro, this is so chunky, bro. I mean, I got the light chunky, but it's still kind of chunky. And I promise you, if you have this with chips, it's a little bit too much, actually, because this will fill you up. This is Gucci. Then you grab all your, here, look at my diced up cheese, bro. I went ham on this cheese. Come on, I just got mad at it. But okay, eat all those little tiny slices that I just, for some reason, minced up. Don't mince it up. Cut it up in squares and then just yeet it in there. And this one, look at that. perfect little squares, just those squares in there. If you don't want to do this on your counter, don't. Just do it somewhere else. Do it on like a cutting board. But you know, we let somebody borrow a cutting board. Still haven't got it back, so you know. I'm just gonna grab this like a ball, boy. Yay, yay. Shit it all. Hey, bro. Mm. Mm. You're gonna squish up the cheese. I know what you're saying. This is a lot of squishing. It's making a big mess. Do you want Gucci ramen? Okay, then squish it. Now, if you need to, just scrape it down. Scrape down to the center, you know. I mean, you don't even have to do that because the ramen noodles are so hot it'll actually melt the cheese. But mine aren't that hot. Get that close up. Yeah, get that close up. So it's going to catch you guys up. Sure. That's so good. Yeah, I'm down. No littering. The drink right there. I've got pepper to drink, and let's put a bowl. Now I got that close up on that mix. You know, I gotta get close up on that first bite. Alright, so good. Close up on the bite. Tastes like always. So whenever I cook it, I give you a good bite. Yeah. So yeah. Was that bite not good? I know it was. Yeah, it's like I don't know what time it is. That's juicy. Oh no, we used to get the chunky. We didn't get the chunky light. Man. No, the chunky's good, but chunky light. Even better. So you want to get the Star-Kissed chunky light, and I love it. I mix this well with the chicken and the cheese. Make this epic. Here's epic meal. I promise, even if you took this to anyone, they would say, "How did you make this? This is amazing. I want to know." And then don't tell them. Tell them come to my channel and watch this video. That's what I want you to do. Make it for your family. I'll make a little bowl. I can make a little pot. Like that big of a pot. And I'll fill a bunch of people. And they're going to love it. You need a lot more cheese, a lot more tuna, and a lot more ramen, but you can do it. It'll be pretty good too. Good supper meal, you know, if you're having like people coming over or something, and you know, they want pasta, give them pasta. Good pasta, not just pasta. Good pasta. Birthday parties, whip this up real quick. They'll love it, and it's quick and easy. So yeah, guys, I'm fish eating this, and I'll make another video where I'm reviewing the movie Fast and Furious 7. This has been me. Goodbye.